The Coin Lady channel is pleased to have you back. Repeating an action with the expectation of a different result is a common saying that states that doing so constitutes a form of insanity. For some reason, Gary Gensler keeps trying the same thing in court, and I think he's going to eventually win. He keeps losing in court. I believe that U.S. Senator Gary Gensler has become a political liability in his role as chair of the SEC. Jumbled phrases, or as Brad Garlinghouse so astutely put it, what's up? Nice to have you here on the channel. Now, let's chat XRP. Also, there are 3 major points that require your immediate attention. The market is quite unpredictable. In the past day, XRP has fallen as low as 54 cents. But why is this happening? I remain really optimistic about XRP. Additionally, I believe that additional benefits are on the horizon. In this video, not only will we discuss a lot, but we will also go over some important XRPL news. What does the IPO conundrum look like, too? For the latest news and updates on XRP and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, let's get right down to brass tacks and speak about XRP. Also, I've spent quite a bit of time discussing this. Keep in mind that in January 2020, for the largest volume for XRP ever, LTC will be around 650 billion XRP, and that the financial institutions will all utilize this as the foundation of the XRP coin. And go through the ledger, which is a major step that shows what's to come. Recently, a lot of people have been talking about getting out of escrow. So, how exactly does that manifest? I think it's crucial that they've been doing all of these things to make sure the XRP architecture is solid and that they can transfer large amounts of money and tokens easily, securely, and at a fraction of the cost. Just as we mentioned, XRPL has begun to play an increasingly important role in the XRP ecosystem. Additionally, this relates to an intriguing piece of news that recently surfaced, and it all started when David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, pitched the XRP ledger to Franklin Templeton. Schwartz emphasized the asset's efficiency and potential in the face of rising crypto interest. Apologies for the interruption, but a $1.7 trillion asset management firm is reportedly in talks with Ripple. This is fantastic news, especially considering the growing interest in cryptocurrencies among traditional financial institutions. In response to Franklin Timberland's post regarding their interest in Ethereum and Solana, short sellers suggested that they may also consider XRP. In conclusion, it states that Franklin Templeton tweeted about investigating alternative blockchain networks, such as the XRP ledger, in reaction to Schwartz's discussion of XRP, PL's strong performance, having processed millions of transactions for more than a decade. Could this gain traction? I said it initially, and the graph we saw does show that in the right direction. I think it's safe to say that everyone would agree that XRP is heading in the correct path if it were to begin integrating with a company like Franklin Templeton, wherein not all of their efforts are focused on gaining access to major financial institutions and large asset management banks. Especially when you consider the significance of their work, the connections they are proud to have established, and the work itself. Again, I think it's a brilliant member of the XRP crew. One topic we have to address, though it hasn't been extensively discussed on this channel, is that IPO Ripple is looking at expanding into overseas markets. They are considering becoming a publicly traded business, which would be a major jab at the SEC. We are aware that they are, of course, still engaged in that protracted struggle, but we also know that they are going cautiously on this front. While it's great news that the SEC has approved Ripple's S-1 files, Garlinghouse has expressed his reservations about navigating the US IPO process and the uncertainty of the revenue picture. We will witness the outcome of the SEC Coinbase case as soon as it concludes, but they did get theirs through. At the end of the day, though, what does it mean for XRP holders? The possible Ripple IPO could have a major impact on XRP. The most crucial part, in my opinion, is what it provides for those seeking to invest or use, and an initial public offering, IPO, would do just that for Ripple, elevating the company's profile and attracting the attention of investors, analysts, and the media. XRP is really intriguing. In addition, I believe it is crucial that the IPO process includes mandatory compliance, since this might pave the way for the integration of XRP and Ripples into traditional financial systems. KryptonMe would like to take a moment to announce that they are a channel sponsor specifically for this video. Before we continue, we should thus hear their brief statement. Once again, I'd like to extend my gratitude to today's sponsor, KryptonMe. Now, we've taken a cursory look at this on the channel previously, but I'd like to demonstrate the full extent of their platform's investment in new digital assets. And lastly, crypto wallets and seed funding for crypto projects. Their unpredictable scheme, which we will examine shortly, offers returns of up to 100 times per annum for investors. Currently, there is a great deal of activity. We will immediately access my account to investigate the situation. My overall balance is somewhat less than $3,000, as you can see. You can invest in cryptocurrencies on a wide variety of platforms and receive annual percentage rates, APRs, on your investments. Similarly, we provide a wide variety of loans, including flexible and fixed ones. I feel the same way about profit sharing and everything else. As I mentioned before, I have a set point for Ethereum, so now we can examine it. Once again, I'll simply come over here and enter the maximum amount if I desire to do that. My minimum deposit amount and possible annual percentage rate, APR, will be shown to me once again. Subsequently, hit continue. Now that I'm ready to deposit it, the confirmation has arrived, and we'll monitor its progress over the next week or so to determine its exact performance. You can add any cryptocurrency you like to your account and begin earning an annual percentage rate, APR, immediately, with their launch pool, a remarkable innovation that gives you access to some of the newest projects before anybody else, and their fixed platforms. You may earn up to 153% APY. They also have profit sharing. Their platform has raised July 1st, $66 million from 163 events. What makes their interest account integration with the wallet so attractive is that it allows you to make fee-free payments and transfers across their platform. You can see the Ethereum that we just staked there, along with some of my 1800 XRP in my wallet. As I mentioned before, they provide a fee-free exchange rate where you can convert fiat currency or cryptocurrency to other cryptocurrencies, and they also have loans that you can use to acquire it. So, a great opportunity to get into projects before everyone else, and a superb all-in-one platform that lets you really maximize the use of your money. Another fantastic part about KryptonMe is how active they are on social media. Please feel free to visit any of the links provided in the description below to peruse this at your leisure. But again, they just finished their giveaway, and we saw Fishblog's DCR Crypto Dean Unbelieve, among others, giving away Bitcoin and Solana to some of their accounts and followers. It's great to see KryptonMe reaching out and giving those people who invested in that platform another chance to win cryptocurrency. We're all aware that the cryptocurrency bull run is just around the corner. As I mentioned before, another fantastic feature about cryptography is that it allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin from the platform. With the platform's user-friendly interface, making a withdrawal is as straightforward as clicking a button and following the on-screen instructions. Additionally, the recipient address can be any address you have for your wallet that you would like to receive the funds. Keep in mind that certain withdrawals are subject to limitations. Once again, you can see that our 24-hour account withdrawals are worth $1 million. This is a great chance for you to cash in on all your Bitcoin holdings and make the most of your potential. For your convenience, we have included links in the description to Krypton, a fantastic platform where you can see a vast array of cryptocurrencies and keep tabs on their current status. If you're interested in exploring how you can put your cryptocurrency to work for you, we recommend checking out Casper, DAG, Nexa, and many more. Also, as I mentioned before, I'd want to extend my deepest gratitude to Crypto Economy for their support as a channel sponsor this week. Now that we've covered that, let's return to the main video. Thus, in the end, we are aware that an IPO would be extremely significant. Coinbase is now involved in a legal battle with the SEC over the approval of their first public offering. In my opinion, this is fantastic news for XRP and a major step forward for Ripple as a whole. We already know that those exchange-traded funds were unsuccessful. The majority of them appear like this when we examine them on the pricing index. As far as anyone is aware, VanEck Futures ETF has also stopped trading and is soon to be defunct. Although it is not the best, the broader market is showing signs of strength. Apologies, but I am currently in a pessimistic sentiment. How does it translate to XRP? I mentioned before that we witnessed this big decline below the 200-day moving average. Currently, XRP is holding its bottom support level at 55 cents. The cryptocurrency market as a whole may experience some hardship in the coming days as it attempts to determine the target of its correction. This is all due to the fact that the hype surrounding exchange-traded funds, ETFs, has faded, although many investors are still interested in buying XRP. We have discussed this in a few videos. It has been talked about, or at least it seems like it has been, to the point where we know the Franklin Templeton team has argued about that XRP ETF. Everything is happening, but the pricing isn't where you'd like it to be. However, please tell me in the comments section whether you are still in favor of XRP. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye for now.